Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. It's Jason here and we only have one object to open today. I don't have the mic on today because I'm on a work shift and that kind of interferes with the sound, where the sound comes from, so no mic today, but it is what it is. Hoping to make this one a short video. We only have one thing. I bought a t-shirt from one of my favorite artists, actually probably my second favorite artist, Clairo. She was selling some leftover tees and I figured I'd pick one up just because, and we're just gonna open this right now. Thank goodness there's like a flap sort of thingamajig that I can just like cut under, so that way I don't accidentally cut the t-shirt. That would be bad because I paid like 30 bucks for this. It's relatively expensive for a t-shirt, but yeah, I've been doing this thing where I'm also buying a lot of merch from my favorite musicians as a way to kind of show some support for the artist. There you go. There's another sort of wrapping thingy here. Is there a way I can open this without having to? Oh man, I guess I'm gonna have to cut it either way. I feel like every online store should do this thing where they just do a secondary wrap so that way you don't accidentally cut whatever it is that you're trying to open and then accidentally cut the contents on the inside. I have a pink Clairo t-shirt. Pretty basic stuff. Right? Pretty nice. I like it. Pretty simplistic design. It's in this sort of pink salmon type of color. It's in large, so we already know that it's gonna fit, but that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys today. Glad to be back on the work week. Videos are going to come out a little less frequently. I mean, as if they haven't already, because I'm still editing some back videos from last year. Yeah, it's the new year. It's 2022. I don't even know if I have any New Year's resolutions. Maybe just to decrease my weight a little bit and then hopefully graduate college, but that's about it. Other than that, I don't see the point in having resolutions just because it's a new year. That's just, that should just be something that you're constantly working on, personal resolutions. Anyways, yeah, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.